Lights, camera, action.
The thing is,
Minsan nakakahiya yun sabihin. Minsan na-awkward before, nung ako na lang bumibili ng bra ko, nasanay na lang din ako. Pero before, tinitingnan ko pa. May makarinig kaya? Parang gano'n.
I'm also kind of embarrassed at the same time.
Nakakahiya talaga siyang sabihin until you realize na, normal yun yun ang kailangan mo. So, gagawin ko, di ba? Alam nga naman din natin sabihin yung totoo, lang nga naman na piliin natin na yung cute, di nga kasha. Mahirap siya sa una, tanggapin. Kasi bata pa lang ako, grade 4. Nakabra na ako. Yung mga klase ko naka-baby bra. So, naiinggit ako. Kaya sabi ko, Mi, bakit ganun? Bakit ang binibili mo sa akin yung pandalaga? I don't feel a teenager noon. Ang feeling ko, syempre, kung bata ako, grade 4 ako, pero malaki na talaga yung boobs ko. Body changes ko, ang aga niyang nag-start. Hindi mo naman pwede pigilan, hindi mo naman pwede kausapin, uy, wait lang
Since when I was in grade school, when it started to develop, really hard to find the bras that actually fit me. So I think it kind of put my self-esteem and confidence a bit down.
my boobs is actually one of the things that I like about my body. But
isa ako sa matalino doon, top 1, ganun. Kaya nga lang, imbis na ma-appreciate ka for who you are, for what you can do, for who you can be, hindi. Ang makikita talaga ng tao sa'yo is yung mali. So, dun ko, in a very young age, na-realize ko na yun. Kumbaga sa 10 bagay na magaganda na meron ka, yung mali pa talaga yung makikita ng iba. Binaon ko yun sa sarili ko. I did not hate them. Hindi naman ako nagalit, but binaon ko yun sa akin as I was growing up, na hindi ako magiging katulad nila.
hearing what other people have to say about them, mas naging conscious ako on how they look and how other perceive my body. Na parang, the correct word is they over-sexualize it. And I don't know, I just feel like sometimes it's very unnecessary, especially if it comes from people that shouldn't be saying these things, like family members or, you know, getting catcalled on the street. That's not something you want to hear.
So, if ever there are people who will need empowerment, ako yun. Kasi naranasan ko sa posisyon nila, sa place nila. Okay, when it comes to bra shopping, unang kinoconsider,
Maliban sa maganda yung bra, syempre they look for the comfortability of how it feels when you wear it, if it offers the support that you need, if it stops your boobs from moving too much.
They're comfortable, they don't really look good. It's always the sports bras. If it's like, if they look good, it's like, it's hard for me to breathe.
There is more to bra shopping than the size of the bra. Recently, while I was scrolling in Instagram, I saw this video saying na parang dapat alam mo yung shape din ng boobs mo. And for different shapes that I didn't pay mind to before, there's a specific type of bra that offers the best support. So, yung sa akin kasi, according sa video, teardrop siya. And napapansin ko siya before kapag nagsusot ako ng bra, na parang yung strap, yung boobs, nakaganon siya. So, yung strap, hindi siya nakakonect. And ibig sabihin pala nun, may mismatch dun sa bra na sinusuot ko. So, dapat pala parang yung bra na sinusuot ko, bralette yung tawag sa kanya. And I think that's not something often discussed.
I use online stores, and you know, online stores, it's kind of hard, it's kind of easy to fail with when it comes to sizes. It's not only the bras, but in general, because the measurements may not be accurate.
There was this one incident that I was trying on a bra. Tapos, may lumapit sa akin na sales lady, ay ma'am, ito po, try niyo. And the one that she suggested fits better. So, I think that's something I really commend.
ako for me, comfortability. So, ano yung style ng bra na comfortable ako? Kaya nga lang, ang problem, mahal ang bra.
Bras are very expensive.
The more na malaki siya, di ba? The more na matibay siya, the more na komportable siya, ang problema is mas mahal talaga siya.
Up to thousands of pesos.
So for me, bra is an investment. It is not just an undergarment na parang pwede mo lang bilhin 3 for 100, no? Swerte yung iba na kaya yun, na kasya sa kanila.
There was one time I had to remove the wires, that was already in the bra, so that because it was like really painful.
But for me, being a plus-size woman, it is an investment kasi ang mahal niya. Hindi ka naman pwedeng bumili lang ng isa. Side A, side B, side C, side D, di ba? Di ba? Pwede 1 week yun ang gamit.
Meron isang beses na excited yung mama ko nung umuwi siya. Kasi may dala siyang mga bra na bago para sa akin. Kasi over time, the hand-me-downs doesn't fit me anymore. Kasi I have a bigger cup size compared to my mom and yung mga tita ko. And so, excited siya, pinakita niya sa akin. And sinukat ko naman yung bra. Tapos may nakita kong bagong class dito sa gilid. Sabi ko, mama, ano to? Tapos, sabi niya, hindi ko alam nakita ko lang doon. Ang cute kasi ng design. Tapos pagka pindot ko nung class, natanggal yung cup. It turns out, yung mga nabili niyang bra sa akin is mga maternity bra. So, for me, I think I find that endearing at the same time funny. But, I don't think, eventually, that was not the case. I think it's because of what others started saying. And I think it's also me starting to pay attention more to them. Marami kasi akong narinig talaga na comments about my boobs growing up. And I don't think some of them are things that you want to hear at an early age. No one wants to hear that they look like an FHM model, that they have milk tits, something like that. And something that I've always heard is, swerte magiging jowa niyan. And I never understand it before. And it turns out what they're implying is kapag niyakap daw kasi ako, ramdam agad yung dede ko. So parang, it made me very conscious. And eventually, something that I find, I never thought about too much. Naging something na sobrang pinag-iisipan ko na, ano ba yung naiisip ng tao kapag gumagalaw yung boobs ko, kapag naglalakad ako, ganun. To the point na, if you look at some of my photos, eventually makikita niyo yung mga suot ko, mas nagko-cover up ako as much as possible to avoid any unnecessary comments on how my body looks like. Hanggang sa kahit mainit nun dati, naka-jacket ako para lang hindi na gaano makita yung katawan. What people need to understand about plus-size women's struggles is, actually, hindi lang siya sa plus-size women.